Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know that I've been missing for a while, but life has been happening in the background, and sometimes you just need to step back and find yourself and come back again. So I came online to do this video because it's one of the videos that I really wanted to do and share what I would have experienced recently. Now, persons would go and they would like videos on your channel, and they not only like the videos, but they may also report your video to say that it has copyright infringement on it. And I would have encountered that, whereby persons would have liked videos that I had and became subscribers, and then maybe 2 days later I got an email from YouTube saying that they would have deleted my channel. Full channel disappeared, gone, no evidence, no trace, nothing at all. Bear in mind that my channel is not a monetized channel, but what I can say, I spoke to persons and some persons were like, you could query it, and I was like, should I go through all this fight and this effort for a channel? Luckily, thank God, I prayed, and within 2 to 2.5 hours I got an email again from YouTube saying that they would have gone through the content on my channel and verified that there was no copyright infringement, and they restored my channel. What I want to let persons know and to be aware of, not everyone that likes your channel or likes your content is a genuine subscriber or a fan of your work. Some persons are out here to sabotage you because the information that you are sharing is vital and can make a difference in someone else's life. So what I would have learned from this is, should my channel be pulled down again, I would definitely be sending in an email to query that, because I know that I am not breaking any rules, I am not breaking any laws. The information that I provide is general information, and I don't really use anybody's music. I share what is out there for you to learn and for you to know. So I just want persons to be aware of it. If it is that your channel gets pulled down, be sure to fill out that, send them the email, send them the query, and get your channel back up and running. If you may have really done what they would have said, know that they would not restore your channel. So that's what I wanted to share today. I would be back online in some other times sharing videos with different information, especially for parents that have children that are doing SEA in the upcoming year 2025. So stay tuned. Thanks for your continued support, and see you again in another video. Bye everyone.